Hi, I'm Yes or No, and I just graduated from Harvard. This is my diploma to prove it. Well, technically, it's my diploma covered in plastic. Yeah, even after 4 years of educating us, they still don't trust us enough to not slobber all over our diplomas. Now, internet dwellers, I'm sure some of you are probably thinking, wow, Yes or No, now that you've graduated from Harvard, you could probably make like a 6-figure starting salary or something. And yes, I could. I, however, will be choosing a less lucrative career path known as following your dreams. Some might also call it the path of naivete or the path to minimum wage. Tomatoes. Robert Frost calls it the road less taken, but that poem was ambiguous and Robert Frost is dead now. So I'm just gonna call it the path that I'm going to take. So basically, here's my plan, internet. Basically, I'm gonna spend these next 4 months in Wisconsin just, chilling, relaxing, acting all cool, shooting some b-ball, because I'm done with school. And then after that, in October, I will travel to Paris to teach English through the French school system for 12 hours a week. 12 hours a week? That's not a job, that's a hobby. Yeah, okay, so it's a part-time job. And the other part of the time, I will be working on growing my YouTube channel. This thing right here. Growing this. Basically, I'm looking to go pro. I'm looking at you, GoPro. So yeah, you heard it here first. I want to be a YouTuber. Hopefully, after I've lived in Paris for a while, the goal is to be making enough off my YouTube channel to just have that support me as I travel to places like Southeast Asia, India, Tanzania, like everywhere. I want to travel everywhere, and so YouTube's gonna be my way of doing it. Maybe this is a dumb plan. Okay, it's probably a dumb plan. Okay, no, yeah, it's definitely dumb. But the good news is, at least you guys will keep getting new videos, unless you unsubscribe. Please don't unsubscribe. In fact, if you haven't already subscribed, you can subscribe down below. I'm Yes or No. I'll catch you on the flip side, home skillet. Peace. Have it. I'll see you think you're smart.